Hello, everyone. Welcome to another science learning time with Miss Blessing. It's going to be an interesting one, okay? All right, so today we're going to revise creating a classification key. We are learning to create a classification key. At the end of today's class, you should be able to use the characteristics of living things to sort them using a classification key. You should be able to show the characteristics of living things in a table. And you should also be able to create a classification key. And I know someone would say, what is a classification key? You're going to find out shortly. Just hold on. Now, sorting. Imagine you had to sort these things into two groups. How would you decide on the groups? What would you call each group? Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. Did you think of sorting them according to living things and non-living things? Because we have two plastic here. We have the frog, we have the parrots, we have the red pepper, and two plants here. Did you thought of grouping them that way? Did you come up with any other way? Did you think about grouping them in terms of their color? I can see green, I can see red. What other way did you group them? I bet you came up with more lovely ideas. Let's move on. Now, let's look at characteristics. Today we're going to create our own branching keys or classification keys to identify living things by looking at their characteristics. The characteristics of a living thing are what make it similar or different to other living things. All species of living things have a unique set of characteristics. Species with similar characteristics are put into groups. This is how we classify living things. Now, if a species or an animal or a plant has the same characteristics with other animals or group of plants, we put them in the same group based on the similar characteristics. Come along, let's continue. Now, let's look at this cute cat over here. Characteristics. You're going to pause the video and have a go. Let's find out which of these are characteristics and which are not. Is it awake? Has four legs, is cute, has a tail, has whiskers, is a carnivore, is a baby, plays with string, likes milk. Pause the video and have a go. Which of these do you think is a characteristics of this lovely cat over here? Have a go. Welcome back. Now let's see if you were able to get them correctly. These are some of the characteristics of the domestic cat. He has whiskers. Yes, can you see the lovely whiskers? It has four legs. One, two, three, and there is one hiding behind here. Four. Now, it has four all over its body. Is a carnivore. What is a carnivore again? An animal that eats flesh. Okay, it has what? Tail. Good job. These are characteristics of this cat, and these are not the characteristics. It's awake, it's cute, likes milk, is a baby, plays with strings. Why not? Why are these not the characteristics? What do you think? Pause the video and have a go. Now let's look at these insects over here. What are the characteristics of this living thing? Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. Did you see that it has how many legs? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you see it has got spikes all over its body? Did you see it has got two black eyes? What other characteristics features did you identify? Well done. Let's make progress. Now, take a look at these beautiful girls over here. What are the characteristics of these living things? I bet you know because you are also a human. You could be a boy or a girl. What are those characteristics that pertains to us as humans? Pause the video and have a go to. Classification keys. Remember, we are learning to use classification keys to classify or group animals. You are going to create a classification key to sort your living things. Look carefully at these living things. What question could you ask to split them into two groups? Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. Let's look at some questions we could use to classify these living things. Does it have feathers? Yes, this too has got feathers. No, this too does not have feathers. We have grouped them into two groups now with this question. Now, does it have webbed feet? This has got webbed feet. This does not have webbed feet. Now, does it lay eggs? Yes, this does. No, this does not. As you can see, these questions has helped us to categorize these animals into various groups. Now, it's your turn to have a go. Remember, recently we've been learning about animals in the sea, right? Now, record which living thing has each characteristics by putting a tick or a cross in the table. Then write your own questions in the last four boxes of the table. This is for you to have a go. Does it have legs? Does it have shell? Does it breathe air? Now think about your own questions and include them here as well. We are using the blue whale, the octopus, the shark, the seahorse, the crab, the dolphin, the sea turtle, and the clownfish. Go ahead and have a go. Let me know how you felt about today's lesson, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And this is me saying bye for now. See you in the next video.